My name is Buttrey. My title here is Service Engineer, and I've been with API since February of 2021. So what drew me to API was entering a field where I could grow. Pipe fitting was a good step for me, and it was very beneficial to what I do now. But having the capacity to grow and further my career and my knowledge in the field was very desirable for me. What I do with API is important for metrology because measurement touches all aspects of production. Metrology is important, especially in places like manufacturing, because you want stuff to work. From automobiles to airplanes especially, you need things to function properly, and you want those plane tickets to be cheap, you want those cars to be affordable, you want to be able to hop in one and go. Metrology is important for the production side as well, to keep those costs low, to keep things working, to keep the functionality where it's supposed to be so that they can land in the consumer's hands and that people can use these things in their day-to-day life. Nothing beyond measure means that the world is our oyster here at API. The capacity is uncapped. There's no limit to where we could end up, the projects that we can be involved in that have a lasting effect. The product that API offers that excites me the most is the scanning capabilities. I really enjoy running the arms and kind of the reverse engineering. It intrigues me because it kind of shows you that there's nothing you can't do. I'm passionate about what I do for API because it affects everybody around me. The more time I spend here, the more I realize that what we do affects everything and anything in the working world. From space travel to the chocolate that you eat, at the gas station, metrology has an input.